to take out a dead tree. We're recording to find out. We got one digging at the roots, and we got two of them pulling on it. How many people does it take to take out a dead tree? Let's see, one gave up. Is he going to try to go around the other way? What? What? That's what I just said, just chop it off from the bottom. Don't we have a saw or some sort in the garage? That's pretty strong for a dead tree. Dang, Raymond was in the way. I couldn't see JC trip and fall. Well, they got it down. It took about 2 minutes and 5 seconds so far. Now they're going to try to finish pulling it out the ground. I don't think I'm trying to take it the other way. I'd say timber. Because they turned off all of our sprinklers out here to give her water sprinklers. Well, there's the root of the tree. There's how they removed it. Now I just got to figure out the... Now he's going to try to see if he can jump it. Here we go. Don't forget, I'm putting this on YouTube.
I know, set up.
Don't hit the wall. Now how are we going to get rid of that tree? How? Let's see, we're going to be witnessing my nephew falling on his ass trying to break a tree in half so we can put it in the garbage.
I'm not going to be big. What the? I don't know. Alright, watch out on third.
Second attempt. Here we go. Nope. Try it again.
Get them all the way. So, okay, they all sit.
Oh, this is gonna be like non-mathematical, a lightweight person trying to break a tree. Let's see if it works.
I get my
Oh, that was really uniform. Makes an excellent trampoline.
Put a rope in the middle.
Put both y'all's weight on it. One of you hold the bottom and the other one jumps on it. This is the most springiest dead tree I've ever seen. A dead tree should crack. Anyway. Oh, did we got it cracked? Ah, we got it cracked. And it was all over. Woo! Yes.
Take the fat out and break a springy tree.
Now he's got tree all over him.
Yeah, you. Jump in the tree.
Anyway, that concludes our tree cracking, pulling it out of the ground special.